last video for the day. This is like my third video I'm filming, so everything looks the same. I filmed this look in my Get Ready With Me. I just filmed my color pop and random haul, and now I'm going to film my Fashionsta. Wait, how do you say it? I know it's not Fashionista. Fashionsta? I don't know. The box. This is my first one. I am very excited. I could not wait to get it. I signed up on the 8th and I did not get it till this last weekend, which is the last weekend of October. Halloween is on this Thursday. So it took quite a while, which isn't a bad thing. I know some people like to get their boxes early. I am one of those. I hate waiting, but at the same time, it is nice to get them spread out throughout the month. So depending on how you look at it, it could be good or bad. Their box is like 20 bucks plus tax. Seriously, I sit down to film and I get 3 texts every 5 seconds. Okay, so let's get started. It comes with the card, and the card has all the names of the things and the prices. So I will set that here. I also got this card which talks about they're donating products to a family crisis center, which is really nice. I think that is great. Oh, my battery is dying, so if I lose it, I will have to come back. So the first thing in our box, or in my box, is by Teamy. It is the vitamin C tea infused serum. I am super excited to get this. It is, I've already taken it out of the box. It is this pink color, and I don't know anything about this brand, but I guess they got something like this in their last box. It feels so good. And the smell is, I mean, there's kind of a smell, but not really. I don't know. It feels amazing on the skin. I'm super excited to try this. I tend to use my vitamin C's in the morning skincare, so that's probably when I will work this into my system. Holy moly. I need to like put it somewhere where it won't vibrate. Okay. The next thing in our box is by Everyday for Everybody. Sorry, this retailed for $45. So as I said that, my camera died. So now I won't have to worry about it dying. The next product is by Everyday for Everybody. Is that what it's called? Everyday for Everybody. Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm, $15. Again, I've already taken it out of the box. And it looks to be really nice. I mean, it's a lip cream, which I do like getting, especially in the fall, winter time. It is a clear, it's right here, a clear type consistency, but it feels really nice. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels like it will soak in and be really, really nice. So no complaints here. This retails for $15. That would be expensive lip balm. All right, the next thing in the box is from Lactic. It is a matte lip paint duo, and this I'm super excited to try. This retails for $26, which seems high. I know I'm sure it's the right price, but it just seems high for this brand. They tend to always, I think, be in subscription boxes. I don't think I've ever seen them in a store. Let me know if you have. But the colors are so nice. It's not full size. I mean, it's full size, but the colors, like I said, because you're getting 2 of them, they're just itty bitty. So if you, I couldn't get it unopened. If you really like one of the colors, you could run out of it pretty dang fast. And I don't know if you can buy them separate, but these are the 2 colors. I like how they're very easy to wear, everyday colors. They're not like anything crazy. So this definitely will get used by me. So far that's 3 for 3. All right, the next product is by I want to make sure I say who it's by. Double Dare Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. So a facial cleanser. I have to say, these aren't the most exciting products to get, and like I would rather get serum, like serums excite me, like that I love, or eye creams I love. Cleansers are kind of like, but you can always use them. I mean, especially in my house, there's like 30 of us that we can always use face cleansers. So I'm mad about it. It's 25 bucks. I've never heard of the brand. I don't know much. I don't want to squirt it, but I'm sure it is foam to cleanser, oil to foam. So what, does it come out as an oil and then when you wash it, it turns into a foam? Is that how that works? I'm not sure. Anyways, 25 bucks, a product again that I will use. So that's 4 products so far out of 4 that will get used and that are good products. The next product is a brush. It is from Sigma. It's their Bake Kabuki brush. I have a couple brushes from Sigma. I don't know what I was gonna say or what to say. Not that they're terrible, but not that they're great. Like, I don't get the hype around them. I don't think they're any different than Morphe, but they're more expensive. Feels nice. The brush is super soft, definitely compact. I don't bake, so I won't use it for that, but this is definitely something I could use for blush. Like cream products would be what I would use this for. I could even use this for a foundation brush. Like I love it. It's $25, which is probably about right. It says, let's see, recommended to use this foundation face brush with powder products. So maybe you can't use it with liquid. Does that matter? Let me know if you know. Does that matter if you use this with liquid? Because why would they specifically say with powder products? Maybe you can use it for a powder foundation, because I could do that too. But let me know what you know, because I don't know, obviously. Okay, and that retails for $25 if I didn't say. The last thing in our box is pretty fun. It is by Rude Cosmetics. It is the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter palette. It retails for $21. I am super excited to try this. It comes with a nice mirror, and then the colors are beautiful. It reminds me of, I don't want to say the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, but it reminds me of one of them. One of the Anastasia palettes. Let me know if you know which one, because I can't think of which one, but it reminds me of one. I am gonna swatch for you the highlighters, because that's what I'm really most curious about. They feel really nice. I kind of have glitter on my hand from ColourPop. So they look good. I'm kind of trying to blend them out. Look really pretty. There's this color over here, kind of an orange, a yellow, a pink, and a white. They blend out really nice on the skin. I'm excited to try those. They look really nice. I don't know if you can, I've totally tried to blend them kind of how they would go diffused on your face, but those look so nice. Okay, now I want to blend, now I want to do eyeshadow. Let's do 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So let's do, ooh. So I did these 2. Sorry, I turned this way. I did these 2 and these 2. So let's, where should I put them? Let's do it here. Ooh, oh gosh, I did it bad. They look so good. The mattes, okay, the metallics are really nice. The matte red is nice. It's staining my hand, which is always a good thing. They're staining. As you can see, I'm trying to rub it out, and they're staining. Oh, I don't want to touch my face, which is always good. So I am really confident that this is going to be a pretty good palette. Like, I was thinking I might pass this to my girls, but I don't think so. I'm so mean. I get so much makeup. Is that mean? I don't know. Let me know if you get this box and what you think. It had a total value of $157.50. Like I said, for 20 bucks, that pretty much, if you would have wanted just a Sigma brush, this paid for the box, or again, half the cost of what this is. So this box is so good. I am so excited to see what next month will bring. Yeah, great box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.